क्रिएटिव सेटिस्फैक्शन बहुत मैटर करती है मेरे को.
आई थिंक जो क्रिएटिव लोग होते हैं उनका जब ये जो क्रिएटिव कीड़ा अगर वो सेटिस्फाई नहीं होता है, दे टेंड टू गो ऑल रेस्टलेस.
या मैं तो वैसे I'm ADHD anyway.
Okay, you are.
Yeah. So I go crazy if I'm not doing anything that really satisfying to me. And as in, so yeah, but वो समझ आने में time लगा थोड़ा.
So, like you said, कि finances don't matter to you as much as your creative satisfaction is. But इस industry में जब आप आते हो, it is a byproduct. Finance, it is a byproduct.
It's actually any industry that you go to, you have to strive for excellence is what I feel. और honestly ना सबको लगता है बहुत competitive दुनिया है, बहुत competent दुनिया है, गधे भरे पड़े हमारी दुनिया में. There's enormous amount of success and enormous scope of success if you want to really commit to the thing that you want to do.
And that's exactly what I said. I started with कि बहुत लोग हैं but आपने अपनी पहचान बनाई है. At the same time हमें ऐसे भी बहुत सारे लोग मिलते हैं जो कहते हैं कि उनके लिए it is getting very difficult to make a mark of their own.
हर किसी की अपनी अपनी किस्मत होती है.
But talking about you, आपने जो transition किया है, आपने 2009 में अपने करियर की शुरुआत की थी, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yes, 2009 with the TV show called Shraddha.
Oh my God, yeah.
Yeah.
I was so bad in that show. I was so bad. I was like, and when I started getting paid at that time, I was like, why are these guys paying me? I was so bad.
But that's how it is, right? You grow with time.
Yeah. I'm not taking anything away from me, but that show objectively, I was bad.
So from 2009 to 2025.
Yeah, 16 years.
You've really come afar. And you have become an inspiration for all those people who are outsiders and who are still in the TV industry, that they can make their way into OTT and into films, just like you. Yeah. So how do you feel about that, people looking up to you? Do you know that people look up to you?
I do. It's not that I don't know. Yeah. As I'm not very good with compliments, to be honest with you.
Right?
Why? तो मेरे को नहीं पता. It's instinctively like that. But there's actually an objective, nice thing that I want to say is that if someone wants to look up to a person like me, I'm not saying respect me or like me. I'm just saying that I'm not a bad role model. I'm the kind of person that you're okay to look up to. I'm direct. I am real. I am hardworking. I am all those things that your mom and dad told you in your childhood to be. So, not a bad choice. I'm fine with that. Yeah.
आपके इतने सारे फैंस हैं, साहब सब आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट देते रहते हैं हमेशा. तो why is it that you can't take it? Have you ever thought about it?
नहीं, I think ऐसा होता है कि you need to think about things that you feel bad about. But I think people who ever compliment you like you anyway. So if I just tell them कि I'm not good with compliments, they understand. तो किसी को बुरा नहीं लगता, तो मेरे को भी बुरा नहीं लगता.
Okay. So when you stepped, जब आप मुंबई आए पहली बार, तब had you envisioned that this is the dream, that this is the life that you want to build? सपने देखने में डर लगता था या फिर you were like कर लूँगा मैं सब?
कर लूँगा मैं सब तो always was the scenario. Like I'll be telling my I've been doing कर लूँगा सब for a very long time. I was 16 when I started working the first time. And since that time I've been telling my family I'll take care of everything. Don't worry about it. In fact, that's the one thing that Pashmeen, my wife, loves the most about me. I always told her that मैं कर लूँगा. I'll take care of it, whatever it is. Yeah. So yeah, confidence कम है, हिम्मत ज़्यादा.
But I think वो जो हिम्मत है वो कवर कर लेता है for the confidence.
Eventually, जब on the day of it, like I'm a very anxious person. तो anxious लोगों का confidence हमेशा technically कम ही होगा. Always, like they're always thinking about what can go wrong. But just like the day of, like even this is an anxious moment for me. Doing this interview, I'll have to come, I'll have to interact. I'm socially a very anxious person.
So am I.
Yeah. Oh, thanks for
doesn't
saying so
come across-
softly.
It doesn't come across as like that, and nobody would believe it because it's my job to talk.
Right,
and,
yeah. So I'm a
interact
socially
with
very
people.
anxious person. But with like and to overcome that anxiety, you have to show himmat. So हिम्मत करके पहुंच गया मैं अब इंटरव्यू कर रहा हूँ आप
इस इंटरव्यू के पहले मैं भी हिम्मत ही करी थी, मेरे हाथ कांप रहे थे.
Oh my god. Come on.
Thank you.
मैं तो खुद कांपता आता हूँ पूरा.
So now I know we're
Yeah,
on the same
no,
page.
yeah, but that's humanity, right?
That's humanity.
Yeah.
Like everything that you said कि ADHD और फिर anxious होना हर काम से पहले, like अभी यहाँ बैठे हैं, अब क्या होगा, फिर क्या होगा.
Yeah.
शाम को अगर कोई काम है तो सुबह से वो anxiety आ जाती है अंदर कि बस वो खत्म हो जाए.
So stupid, but na?
I know,
So
but you know these
stupid.
thoughts don't leave your mind.
They just don't.
They just don't.
Yeah.
जैसे आपने कहा कि confidence अगर कम
कब
भी
है?
हो,
Yeah.
हिम्मत ज्यादा
हिम्मत
है
ज्यादा है.
और वो थॉट है मन में कि मैं सब कर लूंगा, तो आई थिंक थिंग्स इवेंचुअली फॉल इनटू प्लेस.
हाँ, right, yeah. और what is the place यार हमें पता भी कहाँ है. It's just that that plain emotion of I will show heart matters a lot, irrespective where you land. I think when you show heart, people around you, irrespective where you land, well, maybe the stars, maybe the dampness of an ocean, people will be like, oh, he or she had heart.
जब आप आए पहली बार तब यू हैड दिस ड्रीम कि मैं कर लूंगा सब कुछ, बट मुंबई एज अ सिटी बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है.
Yeah. Yeah.
Has
Or
this-
tell me about it.
एज अ सिटी बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है और यहाँ पर देर आर डिफरेंट वेज इन विच यू गेट योर थिंग्स डन.
Right.
तो हाउ डिड यू गेट योर फर्स्ट हाउस? कहाँ थे, किससे बात किया, कैसे रहे, कहाँ रहे, who helped you?
So the first time I came to Bombay, what happened with me was I used to work in a call center. I think
In Bombay.
in Delhi,
Okay.
and I came. I don't remember the amount of money I came with, but I took a very dilapidated one room. And yeah, this was the size of the bathroom, I think.
Okay.
And I used to live in the living room. I used to pay $5 grand a month in Juhu. And I remember I used to eat 6 rotis, but one meal, well, every day. 6 rotis, dal and sabzi I used to get from a restaurant right next, Bhojnale kind of a thing. It used to happen. And that happened for a while actually. I did, because the first show that I got, it didn't take off for a while. Shraddha, the one who's talking about, yeah. And I had no understanding of the industry because I was just waking up, working out, sleeping, eating. That's the only thing I did, which is pretty much what I do now also when I'm not shooting. I feel that was a part of the whole deal. I really like that, to be honest with you. I like that. I mean, I hate the fact that people, I'm not going to say actors, people cry about their tough times. They should actually be very happy that they went through things that could toughen them, make them more ready for the world, so I honestly, I had a great time. I have great memories of that time. I remember I used to, just stare out the window, sometimes just manifesting, this is what's going to happen with my life, this is what's going to happen with my life. And it did happen.
It did.
Nothing to cry about, yeah. And the food was good.
Do you still go and
I-
eat from that Bhojnalaya?
I did like I think like a year back or something I went. So I keep telling every time we're passing that by to fancy restaurants now. I always tell. Now, so now my wife tells me, I know this is the restaurant.
Sweet. That's actually sweet. You know, this is what I'm saying. Being optimistic. If you are optimistic about life, things just work out the way you want,
No, honestly,
and in fact, better.
yeah, but crying doesn't help.
Crying has never helped.
Crying is not going to help unless you are getting a fight with your lover. Otherwise, honestly, crying or your kids maybe, I don't know. Crying doesn't help. You know, you can crib as much as you want. You can cry as much as you want. Crying and cribbing is not going to get you anywhere. Losers might think honestly that, oh my God, what a poor story. Fuck that shit, yeah. You know, you have to show strength. The thing is that you can cry. Want to cry? Go and cry alone.
You can cry, but alone.
हाँ, पर जो अपने लिए रोता है ना, वो अकेले रोता है. जो दूसरों को दिखाने के लिए रोता है, दुनिया के सामने रोता है. It's very simple.
It's simple.
Yeah.
पहला ब्रेक कैसे मिला आपको?
पहला ब्रेक मुझे ऐसे मिला कि मेरा एक फ्रेंड है करण वाही,
Yes.
मेरा एक साल छोटा है, वो मेरे स्कूल से, वो फ्रॉम द सेम स्कूल.
Same school?
Same school. So he was supposed to do Shraddha.
Oh, okay.
And he was expensive, of course, at that time. And the creative, Mukti, who used to tie me Rakhi, I've not seen her in a bit now, she told him कि we can't afford you, तेरे जैसा कोई सस्ता वाला है तो ले. And that's when Karan, so I'd been speaking to Karan. Karan he was a great help. And he told me कि ऐसे एक show है, audition कर ले. And he used to tell me कि you should come here a lot. So I auditioned, I got through, I came.
Wow.
Yeah.
I thought Karan Wahi and you became friends through Dil Mil Gaye.
नहीं करण तो मेरे से एक साल छोटा है, जो मतलब
He's a sweetheart. He's यारों का यार.
हाँ, बच्चा है मेरा. मतलब isn't it like he's a younger brother? He's terrific friends with my wife. Like Karan is again one of those guys. He's not a loser, and I don't mean this badly, huh? कि loser, I'm using the word. Karan is, even if like he's लड़ने वाला, he'll fight, he'll work hard, he'll just keep working the whole time. So I love him, yeah.
So जब आपने आपके पेरेंट्स से ये बात कही थी कि मुझे एक्टिंग में जाना है,
Oh God.
did they agree?
I think my mom said कि बेटा हर कोई शाहरुख खान नहीं बनता है. And dad, I don't think dad had any reservations or
Okay.
yeah, but I remember my reply to mom was like कि मुझे शाहरुख खान नहीं बना. With all due respect to Mr. Khan, my point was that obviously if I go and try to do something, I want to be my own person. Yeah, so yeah, but mom and dad were pretty cool because I was the person who was I was doing fine on my own at that time. I came when I was 25 there, so
Okay.
pretty late. Yeah, so they didn't really question much.
By 25, I think you have that sensibility कि आपको क्या करना है.
No, I had that sensibility at 16. Just that my household needed to be taken care of. I mean, so that's why. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
At 16 is quite early for guys.
17, I think. 16, 17, whatever.
हाँ, same.
Yeah, same.
So generally when लड़कों का हम देखते हैं कि उनका ना अपनी मम्मी के साथ में बहुत ही ज्यादा अटैचमेंट होता है, बहुत वो ट्रांसपेरेंसी होती है. आपका भी वैसा है. But when it comes to Papa,
Yeah. No. Same.
It's the same. There is no hesitation.
Enormous amount of love हमारी family में. Our family is actually built out of love only. My sister loves me to pieces. I mean, I actually won't be able to explain to you how much she loves me. And my mom, my father, to my mother, father, sister, we're pretty. How do I say this? We're pretty. We're family that people can be jealous of.
Touch wood.
Yeah, touch wood.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें